This is Jane. She just graduated from Lakewood College and she's ready to start her career. She has decided to do an internship so that she can obtain relevant, real-world experience in her chosen profession. Jane also realizes that internships are a valuable way to learn things about her industry and job function that she could never learn without seeing and doing the work every day. Jane will also meet people who can help her connect with other opportunities. When Jane has completed her internship, she will be able to display it on her resume. She realizes that having an internship on her resume demonstrates that she has work-related knowledge and skills, increases your marketability, and, if she performs well in her internship, may offer her the opportunity to land a full-time job at her internship site. So, if you would like to obtain an internship after graduation, here is the Lakewood College process. 1. Lakewood College has national contracts for internships with both CVS and Walgreens pharmacies and has worked with countless employers nationwide in other fields as well. 2. Students will contact the location for which they desire an internship. Students should ask to speak to the manager of the location and use a script similar to this. Hello, my name is Jane Doe, and I graduated from Lakewood College on March 1st. I am seeking an internship to get more hands-on experience and would like to know if you are able to accommodate an intern at this time. 3. If the manager can take on an intern at their location, they will let you know during this conversation in number 2 above. Many times, the manager will ask you to come to interview before accepting you as an intern. During the interview or conversation in number 2 above, you will set your work hours. We recommend that you do at least 20 hours per week. 4. Once you have secured the internship, please contact the Student Services Department at 1-800-517-0857, option 2, and Lakewood College will send you the required paperwork to begin your internship. 5. Once you have completed at least 100 hours of an internship, which your supervisor will verify, Lakewood College will issue you a certificate of completion that you can also list on your resume. Don't delay, get started today in your internship. Should you have any questions about this process, feel free to contact Student Services at 1-800-517-0857, option 2.